guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. This is the show where I react to police chases, high-speed pursuits with fast cars. This is a Dodge Charger Hellcat. Outruns two Arkansas troopers at 150 miles per hour. It's a black cat. It's a black cat in front of him. You feel me? ASP already know the drill, man. They just gotta submit behind these cats, man. There's no reason to turn on the lights and even, you know what I mean, embarrass yourself in the workplace. You know what I mean? You're just embarrassing yourself in the workplace at this point. Putting those lights on behind the cat. Cause look at the cat now. It's gone down the road, isn't it? I don't have to explain that. We can all see that. You know what I mean? Looks like the black cat is down the road. I'm JTSpeeds, by the way. Some context about me. I like fast cars. I build cars on this channel. I'm building an Audi. I'm trying to sit out there in the snow. We'll get her up and running. So where is the black cat? I think, is this it?
He's in and out of traffic.
No, that's just a dark colored vehicle, y'all. So there's gonna be two Arkansas State Police troopers, ASP troopers. There's gonna be two of them that he outrun, and I know that from the title.
134. Could be a black Charger.
It's a black Charger. Look, nobody's moving.
He's on the shoulder.
Nobody's moving for you, man. They don't want to see you catch that black cat. They heard it coming like wee 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 wee. There's no point in even doing all that, bro. The cat got way better road presence than the cops. You feel me? The cops got to turn on the lights to get some. You feel me? Feel something. When you in a cat, you can just wee wee wee. People know what the heck that is, man. So he tried to pull the cat over for improper tags. He's trying to get all these people to pull over. You see this Tahoe? It didn't even. Suburban, it didn't even move. It didn't even try to move. These trucks on the road, man. So this cop is struggling to get up to 120 after nobody moves out his way. You think that's an RT, buddy? The cop said he thinks that's an RT model. I think the cop car is a Model T, a Ford Model T. Is that the first one they made? That's what I suspect his car to be, the cop's car, the patrol car. This can't be a pursuit Charger. If that's a RT. Bro, you can't even see him talking about he's all over the shoulder. You're all over the road, man. You're going 40. These cars aren't even knowing your presence, man. You're just flying.
We're at the 24 bomb level, northbound.
I think that's a black cat up there. I think I can see it. In the far right lane. Oh. I see it. No, I don't see no damn Charger. I'm just as crazy as the cop, boys. You start looking for that black Charger, you'll be just as crazy as these cops, man. I'm telling y'all, for your sanity, guys. This is JTSpeeds, man. I love my viewers, everybody. Peace to everybody. If you want peace in your heart, don't be like, you'll be waking up out your sleep looking for a black Charger, man. Look. So the other cop sees the black Charger. Black Charger! You feel me? Bro, I know this is like PTSD, man. They do not get paid enough to do this, man. Shout out to y'all, man. I hope one day I'm gonna get y'all the donut. Hey, that should be the thing I should get for the Mopars when they win the chase. Some tires. That's what they need after they're done at the takeover. They need tires. Mopar boys, tires, W in the chat. So, they're chasing nothing. If you guys could hit the sub button for me, that would be much appreciated. Hit the like button so I can get some reach. More people who want to see this type of content could get it suggested to them, and so on. More videos will be coming out. I will be upping the quality. Hopefully my vocabulary, you know what I mean, guys, bear with me. So where's this cat? The cat caught up with the other cop, flew past him, and this first cop is still chasing nothing. And the second cop is chasing nothing. Speed's well over 150. That cat going 200, bro. That cat did 200 away from y'all, bro. I don't know whether they going towards state lines or what, but the cat is gone. The Black Charger is gone, bro. Let it go, y'all. Cause these guys are crazy. They'll kill themselves messing around in these cars. Let them go. Don't risk your life. You guys mean way more to your families than this, you know? Let the cat go. Please. Me personally, my life, I'm not chasing the cat. Okay? I think I seen a black cat. It went by. You know, just take note, but don't go crazy and try to chase the black cat, man. So the first trooper has finally gave up. He's fell into the right lane and he's going pedestrian speed. The first cop has not given up. He's fully invested in the pursuit. Ego is involved, obviously. Yeah. Okay, so I think this first cop is slowing down. Yeah, he sure is. The lights have came off.
He was in and out of traffic, reckless on the shoulder. Just be advised.
So now it's just be advised. You know what I mean? That's what they say on the radio. Just be advised. We couldn't get the cat. That music and the damn thing scared me. I got it all in my ears. Alright. Guys, do not run from the police. Do not do it. But if you do, maybe watch something like this before you do it and take note. You know, do what this guy did. Now, know that the time associated with this, some heavy time, heavy fine. It's a lot of repercussions and consequences for this type of stuff. So don't say JTSpeeds, nothing, man. When you getting pulled out the car, man. You feel me? But you know what I mean. This cat got away. The Charger got away. They're still looking for the black cat. You know what I mean? People buy black Hellcats every day. They can't arrest everybody with a black Hellcat. Get it wrapped, you know. Hey guys, look at my What black cat? My cat is red. Anyways, this is JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
We're not from the suburbs.